Today, we're diving into 10 successful businesses that built on existing ideas. Do you really need a brand new idea to build a successful business? The answer is no. Some of the world's most powerful companies didn't invent something new. They built on what already existed, added their own twist, and executed better than anyone else. In this video, I'll show you 10 case studies of businesses that became giants by improving on existing concepts. By the end, you'll see why you don't need to reinvent the wheel. You just need to make it roll smoother. Case Study 1. Starbucks, reinventing coffee shops. Coffee shops existed long before Starbucks. People were already buying cups of coffee at diners and small cafes. But Starbucks reimagined what a coffee shop could be. Instead of just selling coffee, they sold an experience. Comfortable seating, free Wi-Fi, a cozy atmosphere, and the idea of a third place between home and work. That twist turned a simple cup of coffee into a global lifestyle brand. Case Study 2. Netflix, transforming video rentals. Netflix didn't invent movies or rentals. Blockbuster already dominated that space. But Netflix spotted the pain points: late fees, limited selection, and the hassle of driving to a store. They improved on the idea by delivering DVDs by mail. Then, when technology allowed, they shifted to streaming. By focusing on convenience and user experience, they disrupted an entire industry. Case Study 3. McDonald's, scaling the burger stand. Fast food existed before McDonald's. Burger stands and diners were everywhere, but McDonald's founders introduced a system: speed, consistency, and scalability. They turned a messy, unpredictable process into a science. Every burger looked the same. Every fry tasted the same. That consistency built trust and allowed them to expand worldwide. Case Study 4. Uber, redefining taxis. Taxis have been around for over a century, but Uber saw the frustrations: unpredictable fares, difficulty finding rides, and payment hassles. Their twist? An app that lets you call a ride instantly, track it in real time, know the price up front, and pay seamlessly through your phone. Uber didn't invent taxis. They simply reimagined the experience and scaled globally. Case Study 5. TikTok, standing out in social media. By the time TikTok came around, social media was already crowded: Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, YouTube. But TikTok focused on short, creative, algorithm-driven videos. Its twist wasn't social networking. It was entertainment powered by AI. That simple shift created one of the fastest-growing platforms in history, proving that even in crowded markets, there's always room for innovation. Case Study 6. Airbnb, hospitality without hotels. Hotels existed forever, but Airbnb changed travel by letting people rent homes, apartments, and even spare rooms. They didn't invent hospitality, they simply gave it a peer-to-peer twist. Case Study 7. YouTube, revolutionizing video sharing. Video existed before YouTube, on DVDs, TV, and even personal blogs. But YouTube made video sharing instant, easy, and accessible to everyone, creating a platform for creators worldwide. Case Study 8. Shopify, empowering online stores. E-commerce wasn't new when Shopify came along, but Shopify simplified it, making it easy for anyone to build and run an online store without needing coding skills. Case Study 9. Spotify, streaming music smarter. Music streaming existed before Spotify, Napster, Pandora, iTunes, but Spotify mastered it with unlimited on-demand access, personalized playlists, and a freemium model. Case Study 10. Amazon, the everything store. Online shopping existed before Amazon, but Amazon focused relentlessly on customer service, speed, and selection. From books to becoming the everything store, they scaled an existing concept into global dominance. These 10 businesses prove that originality is overrated. Starbucks didn't invent coffee shops. Netflix didn't invent movies. McDonald's didn't invent burgers. Uber didn't invent taxis. What made them succeed was improvement, execution, and vision. So the next time you see a business idea that's already out there, don't dismiss it. Ask yourself, how can I make it better? If you enjoyed this video, hit subscribe and share it with an aspiring entrepreneur. I'll be bringing you more deep dives on entrepreneurship, making money, and building generational wealth. Your next big opportunity might already exist, you just have to improve it.